this is About Face with Mona. We're going to do a best of series, and we're just going to start with hair products today, and then we're going to do eyeliners, mascaras, foundations, you name it, we're going to do it. That'll probably take us all the way into the first or second week of January to get through all those best ofs. Let's start with the best of hair products. My hair is normally dry and damaged from being color treated. I did have to cut some length off of it this year in order to get some of the dead ends off, and I have used a lot of products working with my hair. So I thought that this would be a video that I could definitely speak to because I've had so much experience with hair products this year and trying to find hair products that are good for my type of hair. So if you have color processed hair, over processed hair, then this video will probably be a good one for you. Now, even though the ends of my hair are prone to damage and dryness, I will get oily back here in the back of my hair, and I will get oily in my bang area. Just like people have combo skin, I guess I kind of have combo hair. Shampoos. So I've tried a lot of shampoos this year. I've tried Dry Bar, I've tried Coarse, I have tried the OG RX from the drugstore, that Moroccan oil and coconut oil brand. And my favorite has definitely been the Olaplex line. So this is number 3. This is the Hair Perfector. I'm also using the number 4 and the number 5. So I use the conditioner, and I use the shampoo, and I'm using the Hair Perfector. This has really done amazing things to repair my hair, not just to treat it when I wash it, but to actually strengthen the bonds of my hair. I've spoken about it in other videos. I think it'll be a while before I change shampoos. Although I did enjoy the Dry Bar brand, there's been nothing so far to rival the Olaplex line. And this is my second repurchase, and I'll be repurchasing it again after this and for the foreseeable future until I hear about something else. So that would be the best shampoo line of 2019. Let's look at some of the products that I've used. So best hairspray in 2019 has been Way Hair Care's Texturizing Hairspray. This is a sample for travel. I have the large size as well, and I have repurchased this already. I love the way Way products smell. This gives me a hold that's flexible, doesn't leave my hair dry or flaky. I can still move my hair. It has a wonderful scent, and it gives my hair some texture, which I like a little volume and texture in my hair. Not a smoothing hairspray. Right now, this is my go-to hairspray. I would repurchase it again and again. Just want a really good hold at a drugstore price. That big red can, that one up here, Big Hair, Big Sexy Hair, I think it's Big Sexy Hair. That really does hold, and that is a good product as well. Best dry shampoo. I have tried Amika, I've tried Dry Bar, I've tried a lot of them, and many of them were good. I do like Kenra's dry shampoo. You can see this is almost empty. I have maybe 3 or 4 sprays left. This is the Kenra Volume Dry Shampoo, oil absorbing shampoo, and it helps with hair volume. I have very little left. Is this pricier than the Batiste? I'll give this second place. I think as far as what they do, both probably work the same. I don't really like the scent of this, but it does absorb oil very well. In third place, I would say the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. It's deep cleanse level, detoxifying, oil erasing, and scalp soothing. This would probably be my third place for dry shampoos. I think you'd be happy with any one of those products. But this is the one that I go to the most. This is Batiste Drugstore Instant Hair Refresh Dry Shampoo Plus. It's got a hint of color. It's good for grabbing my roots in between colors. It comes in a variety of colors. They have ones that do not have colors. This is just, it works. It works from the drugstore at a reasonable price, and I've tried high end and low end. I think there's Not My Mama's dry shampoo. I don't really care for that brand. I don't find that that one helps me. Amika's I really did like, but that was like $25 a bottle, and I go through it. You know, I try not to wash my hair too much in a week to over process it. So I think Batiste is my clear cut winner. When I want to get volume at my crown, like right here, besides the hairspray, and the hairspray that I was talking about was Big Sexy Hair, because this is the powder that I use for volumizing. It's called Powder Play. I used to use Aveda's. Aveda had a powder like this. I don't remember the name of it, but they're no longer selling it. That was always my favorite. But this does the same thing for much cheaper. So you kind of just sprinkle it where you want some volume. And I'll usually lift it up. And you can tease it or backcomb it, or you can kind of just scrunch it. And it just gives my hair a little bit of volume. Hydrating Hair Balm by IGK. This has a nice scent. It doesn't linger, it just smells good when you're putting it on. That evaporates on you, so you doesn't compete with your fragrances or anything like that. And it does hydrate your hair. The other one that I like is the leave-in conditioner by Way. Surprise, surprise, because I love Way products. Before I brush it, I just put it all over, and then I brush it when I get out of the shower. And if you put too much up here, it will leave my hair oily, but as long as I stay like around this level, there's no problems. It soaks in and it doesn't travel or spread like an oil would. But speaking of oils, I have the Moroccan oil, and I will use that sometimes on the tips of my hair to kind of defrizz, and that works really well. But my favorite is actually by Aveda. It is the Smoothing Fluid Lotion. And I just put the tiniest bit, I mean really it's the tiniest bit in between my fingers. And once my hair is fixed, then I'll just put it on any frizzy parts that remain. And this will give it shine and cause it to not be frizzy. So this is definitely my favorite oil for my hair, and I would say that the Moroccan oil comes in second. I want to give an honorable mention to this leave-in conditioner. This is by Mark Anthony, and I have gone through a couple of these when traveling. I buy these because they come in these small sizes and I can throw them in my suitcase when I go on trips, and this is usually what I bring with me, and it leaves my hair feeling very good. Honorable mention at a great price point for a leave-in conditioner is Rusk Sensories. You can see I have like almost half of this big container gone. Sensory Smoother Anti-Frizz Leave-In Conditioner, vitamin infused with passion flower and aloe. It's a little thinner. It's not a thick balm like the IGK. This smells really good. The scent doesn't stay, just leaves your hair smelling fresh. And for the price point, this is a very affordable leave-in conditioner. For a hair mask, I like Christoph Robin hair mask. No parabens, no silicones, no colorant, and it's just a mask that you can leave on and wash out, and it's just very hydrating. My best leave-in conditioner is going to be the Olaplex. You have a 5-minute mask with that also that you can leave on for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Sometimes I'll leave it on underneath my hair turban, and I'll just leave it soak in around the house until I'm ready to rinse it out. And I find that is the best thing that I've ever used on my hair, hands down, no doubt, and I've tried a lot of things. Let's talk about my best flat iron of the year. This is the T3 single pass wider flat iron. I can take larger sections of my hair at one time and not have to keep going over my hair over and over and over again. They also have a smaller T3 in diameter, and T3 also sells curling wands and other products. It was the title, the single pass, that caught me, and my hairstylist had used it on my hair, and I liked that I didn't have to keep going back over my hair because my hair is pretty thick. My favorite curling wand when I'm going to do curly, this one looks a little rough, is just an inexpensive Hot Tools curling iron that you can get at Sally's. It's got the temperature control. It's got various size barrels that you can buy, and I have not found a more expensive curling iron that will do anything more than what this one does. This is my favorite styling tool. This is the Revlon, what do they call this? This is the Revlon brush hair dryer. I can dry my hair and curl it at the same time. You can do it with one hand. You don't need two hands. I always struggle, not on this side, but I would struggle on the opposite side to hold the round brush and blow dry my hair at the same time on the opposite side. This is just so easy. Literally, you just plug it in, turn it on, you curl it, and you let it dry. If you want to bring some volume up at the top, you know, you can concentrate it like this and then pull it down to dry. Dry my bangs. I just kind of give them a little bit of a lift. I'll wrap this around and I'll let it dry. It has heat settings, so you can adjust the heat. It has cool, low, and high. I know there are fancier products on the market, but this does a wonderful job. This is one of the best purchases that I made regarding my hair, and I use it every time I wash it. When I travel and I don't bring that, I'm lost without it. It's the easiest, quickest way to fix my hair that there is. I just want to mention this. This is called Prep Rally. It's by Dry Bar. It's a prime and prep detangler formulated with biotin, vitamins B and C, and UV blockers. Protects the hair from heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You mist this generously on damp hair and brush it through before blow drying. Spray onto dry bangs and re-blow dry to freshen up your look. So this is my second bottle. This one's not opened yet. This is a backup. What I use as my heat protectant, because it's light, it does not weigh my hair down. Some of those heat protectants will make my hair oily, and I want heat protectant all over, right? Not just at the bottom, because I'm going to use that Revlon curler blow dryer, so I'm going to use that all throughout my hair. So I spray this on first, and I like that it protects against UV rays for my hair also. Another thing I want to add are these. These are sold on Amazon. They're $7.99. There was 6 in a pack. They come in a whole bunch of cute styles and a whole bunch of cute colors. And they keep my hair from getting oily, getting my cleansing products on them when I clean my face. They keep me from getting makeup in my hair or any skincare products in my hair, my lotions, my potions, my oils, because that's just gonna get in my hair and make my hair greasy. My moisturizer, if I get my moisturizer or my hydrating sunscreen in my hair is gonna be oily. These are These are a dream. Also have the gray Velcro one. Actually enjoying these better because the Velcro ones, they're just a little harder to manipulate. So you put them under, you gotta kind of hold your hair back, put that first piece down and bring the Velcro up. And those, you don't have to do that. So I'm really, really enjoying those. So I'll never be without one when doing my makeup or cleansing my face. So tell me, what are your favorite products for your hair for 2019? I'd love to hear, and maybe give me some ideas to try something new. But if you haven't tried the Olaplex, and you haven't tried the Batiste, I would definitely grab onto those. But the other two hair products that I use are the Aqui Hair Turban, because that dries my hair 50% faster when I get out of the tub. I wrap that around and it does not damage my hair. Also, I use a silk pillowcase to sleep on because that keeps my hair from having friction against a rough pillowcase and damaging my hair even more. So I hope that my favorites for hair products for 2019 was helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.